This person has got $71 and you can see he has published this post on 28th of July 2020 and you can see the traffic that he's getting to his post is more than 280,000 views. Similarly, this guy has earned almost $60 and this post was published on this website on 10th of January 2021. You can see the number of traffic that he has got, number of viewers that he has got for this video. So I am going to tell you about this website in this video, and with the help of this huge amount of traffic, you too can generate your affiliate sales with this website. So if you are a beginner and want to earn money through affiliate marketing, watch this video till the end. In this video, I am going to share complete free method for promoting your affiliate product where you can have opportunity to promote your product with millions of traffic generating website. In this video, I am also going to share a very unique trick with the help of which you can promote multiple products with a single link to the same potential customer who will be visiting to your link at that particular time. I am also going to share a very unique tool which is going to help you to do all this in a very easy way and absolutely for free. So before that, if you are new to my channel, and since you are watching this, I would want you to consider subscribing my channel, smashing the bell icon so that you could get the latest update about my upcoming video related to earning online money. And do share and like this video also with your family and friends, those who are interested in online earning. So to start, first of all, we need a product, and for that we can use any of the marketplace like ClickBank, Digistore24, Zevizoo, Warrior Plus, and so on. If you're facing any difficulties in making ClickBank account, you can even consider Digistore24, Zevizoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. For now, I have just signed up with my ClickBank account and I am here at Marketplace. So this is the dashboard of Marketplace of ClickBank where you get the different categories product mentioned over here. It is always better if you are promoting the 3 evergreen niches product like online money earning, health and fitness, and relationship and dating. So these 3 evergreen niches are the most lucrative where you can generate a good amount of money with your affiliate promotions. So now for an example, I would be taking a niche which is of health and fitness over here, and once I have clicked on health and fitness, you can see that all the products listed over here is already on your dashboard. You can see the price, the average commissions that you will be generating by promoting this product is approximately $113 per sales. For this, you will be getting $127 per sale. Similarly, you will be getting $42, $52, and $107, and so on. So with all this product, you will find there is an affiliate resource page which is called affiliate page. Once you will click on this, you will be able to get all the resources to promote the affiliate product. So for an example, I am taking this product which is custom keto diet, and for that I have clicked on this affiliate link and open it in a new tab. So once you open this, you will come to this affiliate resources page where you will get variety of articles, banners, and details about this product which can be helpful for you to promote this product in your website or in your article or landing page or videos. You can see here there is a product information, banner, social media, lead magnets, then landing page, videos. So here we'll be talking about the promotions which we are going to do through the videos. So once I click on videos, you can see there are so many videos related to these products are there which you can download and re-upload for your affiliate sales. So what if there are some product which is not having videos in their affiliate resource? You don't need to worry for that. I'll tell you, it's very simple. You just need to go to YouTube and search for, suppose I am promoting keto diet, so you can search for similar product and you will find so many videos over here of similar niches that you are willing to promote as an affiliate product. What you need to do, you just need to click here and copy link address, and then here I am going to tell you this trick. The tools that you have to use is y2met.com. This is a website where you can upload your video from YouTube by copying the link and re-upload this video for your affiliate sales. You don't need to worry about copyright issue because you are taking it from YouTube and you are not posting over there, you are doing it to some other website. So you don't have to worry about any copyright issues. Your link, your landing page or your affiliate link will not be banned by this process. Here you just need to paste the link which you have copied from YouTube and just need to click here at start, and the video is here, and then you are good to go. You can download this video and save it to your desktop or anywhere, and then you can further re-upload this video and generate your affiliate sales. Now the next thing which I told you at the beginning of the video is how you can promote multiple products with a single link which can target your audience at one particular time. Suppose if you are promoting this product and your target audience did not like it, then maybe if the another product is linked with the same link, maybe he would prefer to check that. Even if he did not bought the second product, maybe he can go for third, fourth or fifth, and this is how you can excel your sell percentage for your affiliate product. So in order to do this, we'll be using a very specific tool called Linktree. What you need to do, you just need to log in, and this is absolutely free. You just have to start. Click here, get started for free. And once you log in, it's very simple and anybody can do it very easily. You just need to opt for a free options over there. Since I already have an account, so I have logged in, and now what you have to do is add new link. Once you clicked on it, you have to write a good catchy title. So here you need to write, suppose if we are promoting custom keto diet, so we just need to write here, and then below this you can see here you have to put the link. So for that source link you have to go to the marketplace, and from there you just need to click promote and use your account nickname and then generate your hop link. So this is your affiliate link. You can copy this from here and go back to Linktree and simply paste this link here, and then you can add the another link. You can see here the link is already displayed here, and now you can add on your another link. Suppose if you are promoting some other product, just for an example I wanted to show you. Suppose I want to put another link for diabetic freedom, so I have clicked on promote and generated hope link. Copy the hope link, go back to linktree.com, paste the link and write on the title, and here you can see the second product also has got listed. Now what do you need to do? Similarly, you can add on as many products as you want to promote, say about 4, 5, 6 you can add on by clicking on add new links and adding it. Now to share this link, we just need to click on share and copy the link from here, and then these links need to be shared. Now where it to be shared, as I showed you in the start of my video, that we are going to use a website where we will get a huge amount of free traffic. We will be promoting this Linktree link to that website to generate our affiliate sales. So now I want to tell you about the website, and the website is rumble.com. So this is the website which we will be using to promote our Linktree link for our affiliate sales. I would like to show you some analytics about this website. For that, I have come to similarweb.com, and here you can see I have taken out the statistics of this website. The global rank for this website is 766, country rank is 203, and category rank is 19. And you can see the traffic here is 83.31 millions, and by the graph you can understand this website is just take off. It become viral and a huge amount of traffic has started to come from September 20 onwards, and you can see the majority of the traffic is from United States, which is 72.89%. From Canada, it is 4.26%. From Italy, it is 3%. And United Kingdom is 3%. And Australia, it's almost 2%, I can say. So this is a website which is going viral at the moment. And if we are promoting our affiliate product, our affiliate link with this website, we are definitely going to earn a good amount of money. So now I'll tell you how to promote on this website. You just have to log in, you have to create an account, and you just need to log in with this website, and it is very easy to get sign up with this. Since I'm having an account, I just have signed up, and here you can see the people, those who have earned by sharing their videos, published on January 10th 2021, and this person has already earned $60, approximately $60. So what we need to do, we just have to click here to upload, and once you have clicked here, you get the option here to upload your video. Either you can drag and drop the video which you have got through affiliate source, or either from the YouTube. So any of the video which you have downloaded, either you have got through affiliate source or YouTube, you can upload here. Then you need to write a catchy video title over here, and in video descriptions you need to share here your Linktree link which we have copied from there, and then you need to put a nice video thumbnail which you can create from another very nice website and free website called canva.com. And then you need to write down your tags like how to lose weight, custom keto diet, then you can use burn belly fat, natural way to lose your fat. So all such kind of tags you can use, and then you need to just upload this video, and here you go. So this is the trick by which you can earn a good amount of money through your affiliate sales. One thing I forgot to tell you, just to check the link whether it's working or not, we need to open a new tab and paste it over here and see if the link is exactly working for our affiliate sales page or not. So once you click here, boom, you can see this has redirected to your customer directly to the affiliate sales page. Similarly, you can try the second one. Yes, again you can see, so both the links are perfectly working, and this is how you can generate your sales. If anybody purchases from these links, you will be getting your affiliate commissions, and this is going to help you to generate a good amount of sales by posting your video at rumble.com. I hope you would have liked this video, and the unique way which I have shared to you. You can ask your queries by writing I have subscribed in the comment followed by your question, and I'll be answering all your queries to help you resolve the issue. Till then, take care and bye bye.